Let me be something you wanna.
Hey, Lazy Girl Approved fam. I am back with a sort of wig review today. I recorded this wig review yesterday and then it got deleted. That's a whole other story. It is Mercury retrograde, so I'm just going to chalk it up to that. If you don't believe in retrograde, I don't know what to say because I've already had tech issues today that have never happened ever. So we're having fun. But I did the review and I like it so much, and it's a budget wig that I wanted to at least come show you guys this wig because I love this wig for 20 bucks. It's not a new unit. It's been out for quite some time, but I wanted to let you guys know who aren't aware that this thing exists because it's super cute. It looks like it could be my hair. So it is Dashly Lace Unit 15 and it's in Money Piece Caramel. And it's ear to ear soft lace, dress it up or dress it down, heat resistant fiber. It is heat safe 350 to 400. And I used to be like, what does that even mean? It's either up to 400 or not. But I tried to curl a wig the other day with low heat and it didn't take it. So that's what they mean when they say 350 to 400. That means you should use at least 350 if you want it to hold something. Now, if you are just trying to smooth it out or whatever, you don't need to go up to 350. Just heat will affect it. Heat from your hands affects things, so affects synthetic wigs. So, but if you're trying to get it to hold a curl or hold a style, then do it between 350 and 400. So there's that. So this unit is super, super cute. Pull it down a little bit over my cowlick. It is, I would say, medium density. It's not light, like it's light, but the thickness, it's not where I'm super worried that it's going to show through in the back, but it's not thick either. So it's not like hot. But it's just super cute with this money piece. I saw other reviews in the burgundy color, so I'm thinking about getting that because for 20 bucks, you can't go wrong. It is a very deep part, and it was ear to ear lace. I mean, it still is ear to ear lace, but I have already cut it off and I lost that part of the video. So it is just super stinking cute, super light. I guarantee you people are going to think this is my hair. So I love it. It comes in lots of other colors. It doesn't say the colors on here, but there's a bunch of money pieces and then regular colors. And for 20 bucks, you just can't go wrong. It is available like everywhere online. I'm sure too that your local wig shop will probably have these. So if you like her, go get her. Let me do a spinny spin for you guys so you can see the whole thing. Keep in mind, I do have a ponytail in the back here. I think I have decided I am going to shave my head. So I'm going to do that, I think, next week or the week after with you guys live. So I just got to find my clippers and figure out what day I'm going to do it. So anyways, let's do a spinny spin, no? Okay, that was the spinny spin. The one thing that I will say that you need to keep in mind is if you have a large head or just period, this cap is small. So it's not super tight on, it's tight on me. It's not like I'm gonna get a migraine tight, but it's definitely not loose. There's not like a ton of room in there. There is a little room for like bulk, but as far as this goes and where the ear tabs are, so you see my hair, it doesn't even come all the way down to my ear. It is about an inch too high. So the ear tabs come to here and my ears are here. So even for me with a small to average head, if I wanted to lay this down, it's not going to line up properly unless I really stretch it, and then you risk it pulling up. So just know if you have a big head, it's going to be stupid tight and you're not going to be able to lay it down, you know, if that's what you want to do. Now with shorter wigs, I don't think most people get them with the intent to pull it back, you know, put it up or anything. So there's that. Just wanted to let you guys know. It is, if you have a small head, this is fantastic. This is a great wig. It is small head friendly, which I don't think I think maybe only one or two other wigs I've been able to say this is small head friendly. So if you have a small head, this lady might be for you. But overall, there's no shedding. She's texture wise, what is she? She's a light yaki. She's almost silky. She's super soft. She's not all the way silky. So there's that. You can brush through her a little more. I put Simply Stylin', my go-to spray now. Don't mind my nails. I have to budget with this divorce coming up, and nails have to go. It's Simply Stylin' Light Silk Spray, at least for now until I figure out, you know, my budget a little more precisely. And you guys can help me out. You don't even have to spend money. If you want to buy wigs on my site, lazygirlapproved.com, you can. Obviously, I want you to. I have good quality and good customer service there. But the way that you can help me out to be able to do more reviews and do giveaways again is to subscribe, to like my videos, and to share them with everybody you know who likes wigs. So go do that for me so that I can get to 1,000 subscribers so that I can start getting paid for these videos. Right now I see the ads playing on my videos and I'm not getting paid for it, which is wow. Anyways, thank you guys so much as always. She is a keeper. She is a Lazy Girl approved thumbs up. So just quick recap: minimal shedding, light yaki, almost silky, not big head friendly. It is small head friendly. She is 12 inches. I don't think I said that before. She's 12 inches. She's ear to ear lace. She's got a deep parting space. I did put powder on this in the last video I recorded that did not make it. It got deleted accidentally. And she's just super cute. And I did also take this wand, this heat wand, and I did this whole thing on the top because it is a little poofy, and it could probably stand to do it a little bit more. So that's what I did to it. It's super Lazy Girl approved because I just cut the lace off, put powder in the part, and did the heat wand real quick. Sprayed it with the Simply Stylin' Light Silk Spray. So literally under 2 minutes and I'm out the door. This thing looks amazing. People think it's my hair. So there's that. Let me know what you guys think. I'm sure some of you already have this, maybe not in this color, so maybe it'll help you to see that you want this color. But let me know what you guys think about it, either if you have it or if you're gonna go get it. And as always, thanks for hanging out and spending time with me. I will see you again soon. I'm about to record a whole bunch more stuff, so I'll see you soon.
Ooh, that sugar sweet. You got